Easy steps, great English.
What if one small joke could cost you everything? Today's fable is The Boy Who Cried Wolf. It's a simple story, but it teaches a powerful lesson. When you lose trust, it's hard to get it back. Listen to the end to learn why. A shepherd boy watched his sheep on a green hill near a small village. The sky was blue, the wind was soft, but the boy felt bored.
I am bored. I watch sheep every day. Nothing happens here.
The sheep ate grass. The boy walked in circles. He looked down at the village.
The villagers are busy. I am here alone. I want excitement.
Then the boy smiled. He had an idea to get attention.
Help! Help! Wolf! Wolf! A wolf is coming.
The villagers heard him. They dropped their work and ran up the hill.
Where is the wolf? Show me. Are your sheep okay?
It was right here. It was so big.
The villagers looked left, looked right, but they saw only sheep and grass.
Ha! There is no wolf. I was just joking.
That is not a joke. We came to help you. Do not lie to us.
The villagers walked back to the village. The boy still smiled, but the hill felt quiet again. Time passed. The boy got bored again.
They ran so fast. It was funny. Maybe I can do it one more time. Help! Help! Wolf! Wolf!
Again, the villagers ran up the hill, but this time they looked angry.
A wolf again? Is this real?
No wolf. I tricked you again.
Stop it. We are tired of your lies. If you keep lying, we won't believe you.
The villagers went home. Now the boy was truly alone.
Maybe they are too serious. It was just for fun.
Later that day, the wind changed. The grass moved softly. And then a real wolf appeared.
I smell sheep. I am hungry.
The wolf walked slowly, step by step. The sheep lifted their heads. They felt danger.
Wait, what is that? Oh no, that is a real wolf.
Hello, little sheep. Do not run yet.
The boy's face turned white. His heart beat fast.
Help! Help! Wolf! Wolf! Please, this time it's real.
Down in the village, people heard him again.
That boy cries wolf all the time. I don't believe him.
No one ran. No one came.
No, please. I'm not joking. Help me!
The wolf rushed forward. The sheep ran in every direction.
Run, run. I'm coming.
The boy tried to scare the wolf away. He waved his arms. He shouted louder.
Go away! Go away! Leave my sheep!
But the wolf was strong and fast. It chased the sheep and scattered them.
Trust is gone and dinner is here.
When the wolf finally ran away, the hill was silent. Some sheep were gone. The boy sat down and cried.
I lied before, and now no one believes me. I am sorry.
The lesson we can learn from the story is that we should not lie for fun. If we lie again and again, people will stop trusting us. Then, when we really need help, nobody will believe us. And when you really need help, they may not believe you even when you tell the truth. Thank you for learning with me today. If you want more fun American English stories for beginners, please like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. All right? Now that we've finished the story, let's move on to the review. We'll go over the key vocabulary first, then break down the sentence structures so you can use them in real conversations.
Shepherd, shepherd. Bored, bored. Excitement, excitement. Attention, attention. Shout, shout. Trick, Trick. Believe. Believe. Scare. Scare. Chase. Chase. Trust. Trust. I want excitement. I want excitement. I want some water. I want some water. He looked down at the village. He looked down at the village. Look at the board. Look at the board. Stop lying. Stop lying. Please stop running in the room. Please stop running in the room. If you keep lying, we won't believe you. If you keep lying, we won't believe you. Keep going, you are doing great. Keep going, you are doing great. The boy tried to scare the wolf away. The boy tried to scare the wolf away. I try to learn English every day. I try to learn English every day.
See you next time. Keep going and don't give up.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.